Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video, and that's about our favorite TV series Heartland. In this episode, we present you with a complete review of Heartland Season 15, Episode 9, The Long Game. This is the second to last episode. We saw Amy and Spartan competing in an endurance horse race, while Jack was working with his new horse Blue, and Lou and Katie went camping. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. The episode began with Jack arriving back at the ranch bringing a new horse Blue with him. Jack's old friend Stumpy offered him up. The horse is a halter broke and does take a saddle. However, Blue's still pretty green when it comes to human interaction, so Jack decided to work with him. Amy offered to help Jack with Blue during the weekend since her weekdays were spent working with the client horses. But Jack, much like his new horse, was stubborn and wanted to be the one to put the first ride on Blue. So Jack set out to work with Blue on his own. As soon as it seemed that Jack was making some progress, Blue bucked and seemed to revert back to the unbroke horse he was before. It got so bad that at one point Blue threw Jack off and Jack fell against the fence injuring his arm. That was the final straw for Lisa. So she asked her husband why didn't he wait for Amy to help him with Blue. Jack admitted to Lisa that he saw that Blue wasn't a mean horse. So when everyone else was giving up on Blue, Jack decided that he is not going to do that. Jack was right. Not giving up on Blue was the thing that finally got the horse to trust Jack. After one last walk, Blue seemed to finally calm down and accept Jack as his friend, which meant that Blue was staying in Heartland and Jack had a new horse with cow sense. At the start of the episode, we saw Scott visit Heartland to check on one of Amy's clients' horses, and while at the ranch, Amy asked Scott to take a look at Spartan. After Finn restored Spartan, he has had a new spring in his step, so Amy just wanted Scott to check on the horse to make sure everything's fine. Since Amy is still trying to figure out the balance between taking it easy due to Spartan's arthritis, but also not letting the horse get too bored, Scott suggested that they go for a ride together and then he will examine Spartan after to see how the horse is doing. And during their ride, Scott had to agree with Amy. Spartan is in better shape than ever, which is why back at the house, Scott suggested that Amy enter an endurance race that was happening at a nearby ranch that weekend. Amy brought Logan and Tim along as a pit crew for the endurance race, while Tim had Caleb enter the race with Amy to support her throughout it. And after some strategizing with Tim and Caleb, Amy and Spartan were off. While Amy and Spartan were going slow and steady, Caleb had his heart set on beating out Evan for the first place, since Evan was gloating so hard after winning the lumberjack competition in the previous episode. And Caleb was doing great too, going head to head with Evan almost right till the end of the second leg of the race. However, Evan was competitive and was not about to let a newcomer like Caleb overtake him. So as the two were nearing the second checkpoint, Evan intentionally rode too close to Caleb and pushed the cowboy off his horse. Caleb landed on the ground hard and it looked like he was not going to be able to finish the race. When Amy found Caleb, she wanted to stay and help, but Caleb urged her to keep going since she still had a chance to beat Evan. Amy reluctantly agreed and took off. Now with Caleb out of the race with the sprint rest, Amy continued on her own. As the finish line neared, Amy wasn't far behind the leading racer, Evan. However, she wasn't about to piss Spartan just to win the race. Yet it seemed like Spartan wanted to win. So when Spartan started galloping towards the end of the race, Amy decided to let him have his fun. The two sprinted towards the finish line, easily beating Evan and Fire Season and won the race. Finally, Heartland Season 15 Episode 9 also saw Lou and Katie go on a camping trip together. Lou had booked a camping site for Katie and Peter, but Peter couldn't make it, so they rescheduled the trip. However, Lou had forgotten to cancel the campsite, so since it was already paid for, she decided to make it into a mother-daughter camping trip. After all, it would be the perfect chance to talk to Katie about her and Peter. Katie was skeptical at this idea, but seeing that her mom's mind was made up, decided to go along with it. So they packed up the car, Lou of course overpacking and going for a more of a glamping than camping experience, and the two set off. And no surprises there. The trip had disaster written all over it. First came the overpacking, then came the missing tent pole and a mouse munching on most of the food during the night, since they had locked it in Lou's car instead of using a beer bag like Katie and Peter always did. It all culminated into an argument by the fire. After Lou and Katie got back from hiking, Lou apologized to her daughter about their failed camping trip, which is when Katie admitted to her mom that although she doesn't see the camp trip as a failure, they would be having more fun if Lou would just relax a little and stop trying to make everything so perfect. Lou's perfectionist tendencies tend to suck all the fun out of everything. The two made up and prepared to pack up and go home. But at the last minute, Katie went to a family that was camping nearby to ask them for a duct tape to fix their tent. And as luck would have it, they also spared their hot dog buns. Lou and Katie enjoyed one last night by the fire, eating hot dogs with baked beans on top team style. And when Katie asked Lou what she wanted to talk to her about during their hike, Lou replied that it's not that important anymore. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.